bringing in Alan Nuckman. He's the chief market strategist over at Gore Financial. We're going to take a look at this V-shaped recovery and if there is more room to run on the upside. Alan, it is great to have you back with me. It's been some time, my friend.
Good morning to you.
All right, let's talk about this V-shaped recovery. Could this allow for some more bullish action to the upside?
Yeah, definitely. We've seen this many times before. Every time the market sells off, it comes back, and if you take the distance of the drop on that old top, that's the upside target. So if you're looking at tech, we've seen a big tech takeoff. That looks at about 10 to 12% from where we are right now. So there's still a lot more upside potential. And here the VIX pit, we're trading around 14. We did not take out our August lows at 10 on this last rally in the S&P. So there's a little bit of a disconnect here. We're not seeing complacency. So I look at that as very much a positive, that I think the VIX has more downside, and I think the stock market has a lot more upside.
All right, and that brings us to today's trade with this opportunity sitting right here. You're looking at a position in JD.com.
Yeah, JD.com is a stock that's been stuck. Now, this stock is still down 15% in the last 52 weeks. So while a lot of stocks have had a comeback, this has not. So that offers opportunity here at these levels. It's a stock that's traded between 20 and 30. So 25 is an important midpoint pivot to lean on. I'm looking at some call options here. I'm looking at the September 27 calls. They're trading about $5. They're $4 in the money. So you're in the money position that's going to have a high delta, going to act like the stock, and looking to see if we can get some extended breakout on this JD.com move, because we made a nice bottom base so far.
All right. Now we have a number of tech earnings coming up this week. You have Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Netflix, well, not Netflix, because that was last week, but a lot of the FANG Plus names coming in. What are your thoughts on that going into earnings? Do you think that could provide more juice to this market?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. We had such low expectations, such a low bar to hurdle, and we're already doing that for this quarter once again. You talked about some of the earnings that have come in, and the bank billions really have set the tone once again. JP Morgan making profit of $10 billion. That's a reminder that the corporate America is doing fantastic. That was pure profit for the quarter. Now the tech numbers are going to come rolling out. That should be the next catalyst. And like you said, we had such low expectations. I think negative 2% growth. So I think we'll be able to overcome that once again. This is a chip, a smart money play, because I see a lot of options activity in this JD.com. So somebody sees something. So I think it's a high probability play to put a chip down with limited risk and have some time. It may happen in the next couple of weeks, but at least I've got a September option, which has 60 days, so we can ride through some ups and downs.
All right, Alan, sounds great. Thanks so much for joining me. It was great to see you again.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Now.